I just filmed this whole entire video and realized it wasn't recording. So, time to do it again. Hello everyone, it's Jen, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why I stopped wearing deodorants, more specifically, why I stopped wearing store brand deodorants. For the past few months, I've been seeing a lot of people on social media and even some of my friends just stop wearing deodorant completely and start making their own or switching to more natural alternatives. I would ask them why, and they would tell me all of these horrible things that deodorant does to your body and your health. So I decided to do some research, and boy, did I find some pretty disturbing information. It's easy to look at deodorant brands like Secret, Degree, Dove, and all these really popular deodorants that are advertised everywhere that smell really good and have a really good design. But because everyone is so distracted by how it looks and how it smells and how well it works, people don't realize what ingredients are actually in deodorants and how it could negatively affect your health. So I decided to spread the word and share with you guys what I learned from my research about deodorants and why you yourself should stop wearing store brand deodorants as soon as possible. So the first thing I want to discuss is the toxic chemicals that are found in deodorants. If you look at the ingredients on the back of deodorant packaging, you'll notice that it contains a lot of these weird chemicals that you can't even pronounce and have probably never even heard of before. And putting these chemicals on your skin is actually worse than eating them because it's entering your bloodstream without any filtering. Whereas if you were to eat them, the enzymes in your saliva and your stomach break down those compounds and flush them out of your body because they know it's not good for you. Number 1 and number 2, if you know what I mean. These chemicals in that deodorant also contain parabens and pesticides, which are most commonly found in a lot of cosmetics and skincare products. They aren't only found in deodorants, they're also found in soap, shampoos, shower gels, lotions, and basically any product that is meant for personal hygiene. These pesticides are linked to certain allergies, weight gain, inflammation, thyroid issues. They could also affect a woman's pregnancy, and it could cause birth defects. Another thing it could cause, and this, when I read this, that's what really hit me, and that's what really scared me into never wanting to wear deodorant ever again, which is that wearing these deodorants can actually increase your chances of developing breast cancer. Yeah. Not only do deodorants contain preservatives and parabens, but they also contain carcinogens. You know, that chemical in cigarettes that causes cancer. Yeah. Deodorants contain a carcinogen known as aluminum chlorohydrate, which is used in deodorants to prevent you from sweating. However, I don't think I've ever used a deodorant that has prevented me from sweating. Every deodorant I've ever used, I still sweat through it. I do. Which is actually a good thing. You want to sweat. You need to sweat. It's your body's natural way of cooling you down when it's really hot outside, and it's also a way to remove toxins from your body, people. I know, sweating is gross, but hey, your body knows what it's doing, so let it do its thing. But anyways, back to aluminum chlorohydrate. This carcinogen has actually been found to cause breast cancer in many women. I don't remember exactly, but there was a study done a couple years ago where doctors took a group of women who had breast cancer, and they found that the women who developed breast cancer early in their life were actually the women who used deodorant more frequently. So in simple terms, deodorant could possibly be linked to breast cancer. And that scared me because I had a family member who had breast cancer, and the fact of ever getting breast cancer really terrifies me, and that was just the final straw. I was like, nope, I'm done. Throwing away my deodorant now. Another couple reasons why I really stopped was because deodorant is expensive, it stains your clothes, and it's not good. I've come to the point where I don't feel like anything beneficial comes out of wearing deodorant anymore. Now, no need to worry, there are certain alternatives to the typical store brand deodorants. Now, if you are a person who is very prone to having severe body odor, there may be a few underlying causes as to why that's happening. The number 1 cause of body odor is, yep, dehydration. The answer to everything. So if this is something you're struggling with, just drink more water. Stay hydrated. It's important. Your body is 75% water. Eat fruits that have a lot of natural water in it, like watermelon, cucumbers, strawberries, etc. There are so many water-based fruits out there. Another cause of it could be lack of vitamin B and vitamin C. Just eat your fruits and vegetables, okay kids? Just do it. Also, another interesting fact, a study was shown that people who are vegan or vegetarian actually don't produce as much body odor as people who eat meat. So if you're up for it, try to eliminate as much meat from your diet as possible and see if that works for you. And if it doesn't, there are natural deodorants out there. There's a lot actually. My friend's mom actually recommended me this all-natural deodorant brand. I think it was called Native, and they come in so many different scents. They're like these cute little deodorants that are all natural. No parabens, no preservatives, no carcinogens, none of that harmful shit, okay? And they come in so many different scents and they smell really good. They do a really good job of covering up your body odor, and it's just overall a lot better for you. Or if you don't want to spend money on that, then you can go ahead and make your own deodorant from home, which is actually what I'm starting to do. So if you guys are interested, I might be making a video sometime soon on how I make my own natural homemade deodorant DIY coming soon. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you gained something from this video, something that you could share with your friends and family, because it is a really important issue that not a lot of people are talking about these days. If you enjoyed, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Click the little circle icon right here to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week. Follow me on all my social media down below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!